It is so peaceful and tranquil in the mornings. My. Nature is so beautiful, you know. Wow, look at that. Looks like some of my cucumbers got pollinated properly based on the looks of things. Look at this one. That one definitely looks like it got pollinated properly. Look at my solo tomato. I don't even know what type of tomato these are. I believe 1 and 2 of them were volunteer, and I don't have labels for the other ones that are growing. Take off this leaf miner. So I'll have to wait for them to fruit. You see, this is a cucumber, you know. It didn't get pollinated, so turn yellow. So I just pick it off so that the plants can stop. Focus on those. I am feeling much better. I'm still stuffy and all, but it is much better than yesterday. Yeah.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
More blooms coming up on my tomatoes. Alright, so I love the look of that. You know, look at these. I thought I was getting sweet peppers, but look at all of those fell to the ground. But there's still hope. Alright, so my watermelons, they're coming out. Coming up. These kinds, they look so flimsy. I don't know. Oh my god, they're so flimsy. Are you going to do anything for me? Well, this little baby one have something there. I can see this one right here, subtle. Watermelon coming up. Oh, they are filled with leaf miners already. Look there. Leaf miner killing it. No more passion fruit. Boy, I think I should find another location for my passion fruit, you know, because I don't know what keep attacking it. And this minute it is up, the next minute it down. Like attack. Look at that culprit right there. It's one of these leaves. Oh boy. I would spray it with the garlic water, but because we're having rains, it's like it's going to be a little waste of time. So I'll have to wait. Boy. Boy. Every day is something, you know, guys. Every day is something. Like these passers by through my garden, they don't want to see me great. They don't want to see my food basket full up. Cause what else? Look at these onions, you know, from when I planted these bulbs. And funny enough, watch, look there, another one right here, you know? Another of my tomato. I'm going to stuck it deeper. Yes, so I was saying about my onions, the bulbs. I planted them for quite some time now, and I'm not seeing any sprout at all. Usually I get sprout already. So let me show you. These are from seeds, and look, they are coming up nicely there already. And I know the bulbs don't start to do anything, but well, let's see. I think I'm going to use this pepper in my pot this morning. Yep. I got distracted. What was I going to show you? Whoa, this banana pepper curling up like crazy. Look like the plant is just a one drop for me. Giving me a one drop. So the cabbages, I don't even know what to think right now. I don't even know what to think, but I'm just going to leave them and see what happens. No, I kind of regret because I wanted to put this sweet pepper or bell pepper in this container. I moved the cabbage, and I said, alright, I'm going to just use these right here for the cabbages. And now I have regrets. No, I wish I didn't take it from there, because it would have been doing its thing and going in. But that's just how it is. Not everything will work. I have some more cucumbers that I'm going to plant. So I have one there coming up around there. And that's what I'm working on. I'm trying to have food constantly in the garden. I've had a lot of hindrances, but it is what it is. You can always, it's never too late to start from anywhere. You can start anywhere. And I have one there, one here, one here. I am going to plant these. This is some red beets inside here. Some red beets. I have just a few leave back in these. And golden beets inside here. And these I got from Blessings from the Garden. That's Roy and Latoya. Those are what I planted in those containers. Those two. But you see what is left. And I'm going to plant me some carrots. I planted some carrots. I've been planting carrots for the past week and a half or so. But you know, the rain beat them out. Keep beating them out. So I'm going to try again with some. And see how far those go. I don't think we'll stop getting rain, so they may just beat out again. So these are the cucumbers that I'm telling you about. But I'm going to let them get a few true leaves before I plant them out. But they look so leggy, they look so tall already. So this is one of the container I put some carrots in, and you can see that's only one there standing. These little armworms. Why? Guys, it's just always something in this place. Alright, so I'm just going to put, I don't want to thin them out. Usually I do like this. Let me do what I normally do, because I don't know where I'm going with holes. I don't normally do holes. I may have to just thin them out. And usually you put your seeds at least, how deep is like 2 times the size of the diameter of the seed. So you don't need big holes for carrot seeds. Just a little drench and you put your seeds in and just simply pat it down. So these are Nantes 2-inch, so they're not expected to grow long or tall. I don't think I'm going to put this anywhere else in the garden. I need to get me some other carrots planted. So I'm just going to let these ones stay right here. Seeing that they are 2-inch, they're fine right here. Alright, so I just will have to thin them out. Usually I take my little time, you know, and I drop 1 year so, 1 year so, 1 year so. You have to have patience for that, you know. Believe me, you have to have patience for that. But yeah, I'm not feeling it. I can't wait to feel myself again. I can't wait to feel myself again. Well, I'm definitely working on myself today, you know. God's willing. Yeah. So, I hope when I catch it tomorrow, God's willing, you can say, yes, Stacey feels much better. These, I'm telling you guys, such a pain. They are such a pain. You know, let me get the diatomaceous earth and just sprinkle some inside there. It's almost done and out, done and out. Let me get my one pepper. Better than nothing at all. I am super grateful. Alright, so like I said, just a few leaving these because I had most of them planted out. But I'm just only one inside here. Only one leaving that one. This is also red beets as well. So I'm just putting out everything that is left inside here. And I have a whole lot of red ones in here. So everything going to get mixed up. Everything gonna get mixed up. So I'm just using this little fudge stick. Make some small holes and drop them in. So this is just what I'm getting done in the garden today. I'm still not feeling myself like that. So I really need to get some rest and try to rejuvenate and I need to take a tablet and that is going to let me be drowsy. I will plant some more in other places another time, but I don't think I can go anymore. Not today. The container is well moist, so I'm not going to water these in. So this is where I leave you for today, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.